Very good morning, students. I am L.K. Tripathi, SST teacher. Dear children, as we have been studying chapter 5, 6, the topic is the Panchayati Raj. Much more we have studied through the last videos about this chapter. The new topic from the same chapter is Block Samiti. What is the function of Block Samiti? How does it consist? We shall see through this new video. In states with a population of more than 20 lakh, there is a block samiti. For a block of 20 to 60 villages, for this much villages and this much population, there is a block samiti. It is the link between the Gram Panchayat and the district administration. It acts between the Gram Panchayat and district administration for various types of purposes. Members of the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, the Legislative Council and the Legislative Assembly from the block become the members of the block samiti. Seats are reserved for women and for members of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. It is abide by the constitution, that is the reservation, and there is reservation for the bottom section in all the field to provide them security and economic status. Some members of the block samiti are elected by the people of the block. The block samiti members elect a chairperson or pramukh as well as a vice chairperson or the up-pramukh. The state government appoints a block development officer, that is known BDO, to take care of the administration. There is a chairperson at each block, that is known block pramukh also, or the up-pramukh, that is as well as वाइस चेयरपर्सन. दो होते हैं, एक प्रमुख होता है, दूसरा उप प्रमुख होता है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट्स ए BDO who looks after the welfare of the people through the blocks. Also, she maintains all the records, keeps records of all the panchayats concerned to the block. The functions of the block samiti are as follows. What are the functions? It supervises the working of the gram panchayats without the block. Within the block. इसका काम है कि ग्राम पंचायत के काम को सुपरवाइज करना जो उस ब्लॉक के अंतर्गत आते हैं. It also undertakes various social welfare schemes and relief work during times of droughts and natural disasters. It provides basic education to the children. The Block Samit's income comes from the state government in the form of grants from taxes on property, cattle exhibitions, fairs, as well as water and electricity. These are the sources of income of blocks, and they, they are provided by the state government. Jila Parishad, the top most level of Panchayati Raj is the Jila Parishad. It works at the district level and acts as a link between the local administration and state government. This is the top most level of the Panchayati Raj, that is Jila Parishad. That is also a part of district administration, that is known the local administration. Composition, इसका composition हम देखते हैं. The members of the Jila Parishad are elected from the district for 5 years. Members of the state legislature and members of parliament from the district are also members of the Jila Parishad. The Pramukhs of all block samits of the district become the members of the Jila Parishad. Seats are also reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, backward classes, and women. The members elect a president and a vice president from among themselves. The administration of the district is headed by the district collector, who is an IAS officer. The main sources of income of the Jila Parishad are grants from the state government, taxes it levies on the people, and the rent it collects from the shops and houses it owns. Now, functions of the Jila Parishad. The Jila Parishad is responsible for the overall development of the district. It acts as a link between the state government and the Block Samit Gram Panchayat. It supervises the work done by the Gram Panchayat and the Block Samits. It looks after the development of cottage and small scale industries and opening of cooperative societies in the district. It imparts new techniques of training to farmers and maintain pastures and grazing lands. It maintains primary health centers and hospitals in villages and conducts vaccination programs. It establishes schools in the villages and conducts adult literacy programs. It supervises the implementation of projects under the 5-year plans in the district. Now the next, Panchayati Raj has taken democracy to the grassroots level. It has made possible for people living even in remote villages to participate in the affairs of governance. As local people are in power at the various levels of the panchayats, they are able to understand the problems faced by people better and are in a better position to solve them efficiently. As a result of Panchayati Raj, even a poor, illiterate person in a village is aware of his political rights and feels strengthened with a sense of power. Now the next, participation of human in Panchayati Raj. How does human participate in the Panchayati Raj system? We shall come to know. Women are increasingly participating in the Panchayati Raj system. They are members of the Gram Sabha. Many women want to contest Panchayati elections, while many areas have women sarpanch. Some even have all women panchayats. In a significant step, the government has resolved 50% of all seats in the panchayat for women. As a result, women are able to play a bigger role in the panchayats. More participation of women would mean better management of funds and better approach towards project and issues such as sanitation, education of girls, domestic violence and alcohol de-addiction. All such types of things must necessary for the human also to give them opportunity to participate in the representation of the local self-government. No doubt, human can be better means of management of funds, not only funds, but in all respect they can play their role in better way to run the villages properly and smoothly. Now we are going to stop this video here. Next we shall see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.